Once upon a time, in the depths of the vast ocean, there lived a remarkable creature known as Rainbow, the most splendid fish in all the seas. Rainbow was no ordinary fish, its scales shimmered in every color imaginable, and its iridescent glow could light up even the darkest corners of the ocean. But despite its extraordinary appearance, Rainbow was a lonely fish. It longed for friends to share its beauty with, and so, one day, it set out on a journey to find companionship. As Rainbow swam through the ocean, it encountered a diverse array of sea creatures, from schools of playful dolphins to majestic whales and quirky sea turtles. However, none seemed interested in befriending Rainbow. The other fish were intimidated by its dazzling scales, thinking it was showing off, and they often swam away, leaving Rainbow alone in its solitude. Feeling disheartened, Rainbow sought the advice of Old Wise Turtle, a venerable sea creature known for its wisdom. Old Wise Turtle listened attentively to Rainbow's tale of loneliness and offered a suggestion. "Dear Rainbow," said Old Wise Turtle in its slow, steady voice, "perhaps it's time to share your beauty in a different way. True friendship goes beyond appearances. Help others, and you'll find the companionship you seek." With newfound determination, Rainbow set out to make a positive impact on the ocean. It started by assisting smaller fish in finding food and guiding lost sea creatures back to their homes. As Rainbow selflessly helped others, the ocean began to change. Its vibrant colors spread like ripples, bringing life and joy to every corner. Word of Rainbow's kindness reached the Coral Kingdom, ruled by Queen Coraline. Intrigued by the tales of the radiant fish, Queen Coraline summoned Rainbow to her majestic palace. As Rainbow swam into the royal court, it marveled at the dazzling coral reefs and the sea anemones swaying gracefully with the currents. Queen Coraline, a regal and wise ruler with shimmering scales of a delicate pink hue, greeted Rainbow warmly. "Oh, splendid Rainbow, your reputation precedes you. I have heard of your selfless deeds and the transformation you brought to the ocean. I believe we can work together to make our underwater world even more enchanting." Queen Coraline shared her vision of creating a grand festival that would celebrate the diversity of the ocean. She envisioned a spectacular event where sea creatures of all shapes, sizes, and colors could come together in harmony. Rainbow eagerly agreed to collaborate, and together they set about planning the most extraordinary festival the ocean had ever seen. As preparations for the festival unfolded, Rainbow discovered talents it never knew it possessed. It could organize schools of fish into dazzling formations, choreograph mesmerizing dances with the jellyfish, and even create intricate patterns with the luminescent plankton. The entire ocean buzzed with excitement as news of the upcoming festival spread. Finally, the day of the festival arrived. Sea creatures from far and wide gathered at the Coral Kingdom, bringing with them their unique talents and gifts. There were singing seahorses, acrobatic octopuses, and even a wise old hermit crab who told captivating tales of the sea. Rainbow, adorned in a crown made of seaweed and pearls, took center stage. As it swam gracefully, the colors of its scales danced in harmony with the music of the ocean. The audience was mesmerized by the breathtaking display, and for the first time, Rainbow felt a deep sense of connection with the other sea creatures. The festival became an annual tradition, growing more spectacular with each passing year. Rainbow's fame spread throughout the ocean, not just for its dazzling appearance, but for the kindness and unity it had inspired. The once lonely fish had found the true companionship it sought, and the ocean had become a vibrant tapestry of friendship and diversity. One day, as Rainbow swam through the Coral Kingdom, it encountered a group of young fish gazing at it with admiration. These fish were different from the others Rainbow had met before. They were born with scales that sparkled in various hues, much like Rainbow's own. "Rainbow," one of the young fish exclaimed, "we want to be like you and spread joy throughout the ocean." With a warm smile, Rainbow shared the lessons it had learned on its journey. It explained that true beauty lies in the heart and that by embracing kindness and unity, they could create a world where every sea creature felt valued and accepted. And so, the legacy of Rainbow continued, not just as a dazzling fish, but as a symbol of the transformative power of kindness and the beauty that emerges when differences are celebrated. The ocean thrived as a harmonious realm, filled with friendships that spanned across the depths, all inspired by the once lonely but now truly radiant rainbow fish.